Assalamu alaikum and welcome to a new video in the third script. In today's video we are going to talk about letter meme. We're going to talk about two shapes when it comes singular by itself. And for this one we're going to start with a common shape. In general you would recognize this shape from other scripts like the Nasikh 2. It looks similar to those ones. And for that one we're going to start with 2 points by 2 points for the first part, which would be the head. And for this move what will happen is that we will move kind of from the middle here. We're going to move to the right, then we're going to move downward. Now I want you to keep an eye on this part, because here it will be more of a straight downward move, and the negative space on the inside will have a cone shape. So the move is from the left to the right. We're going to start just about here. We're going to go up, rotate and come down. Just like this, basically. Now, the second move would be to come back and close this on itself, just like this, as we can see. So this move would be starting just behind this move, so you will have a small nudge on the back here, then going down with a slight curvature and closing it off, just like this. This is the head for the meme. First move, second move. The third move would be dropping 1 point with the straight line, like this, straightish. Then when it hits this point, it will drag to the left. The drag to the left would drop again 2 points. It is based on the Ra, the Mursala, and from here you will have a 6 point of width. So to do so, you go down with a line, then you start changing to the left, and you start doing your straight line moving downward. By reaching the 2 points mark, you would typically start rotating your pen from the bottom to give it this smooth transition and finish it here. And you would color the lower part down here, just like the letter Ra. And this would be the meme by itself in one of its forms. Again, keep an eye on the first move. The shape on the inside would look like a cone, and you could practice it more often so that you could get it more accurate. This could be down here, this could be going down more down. Anyway, so this is the first shape. The second shape that the meme comes with when it's by itself would be something based on the other Ra. Now for this one, again, we're going to start with the 2 by 2, and it has a move that is similar to the letter Ha, because this one closes on itself but it moves the other way around. Now for this one, again, we're going to start almost in the middle here. We're going to use half the pen to make this move, basically. It is moving from the left to the right. Again, you use half the pen and you make this move. Following that, you're going to rotate the pen around this angle and move sharply downward, down to here. You've got this shape. It stops here, then it falls back down. Next, you're going to add 2 points below this line, and you're going to initiate a move that looks like the letter Ra, that looks like this. But we're not going to take the whole thing, we're going to take a connection. For example, if it was connected to a letter, then it will start moving downward. So the first move that we're gonna use would be going back from here with a nice slight curvature upward. Now this curve upward will give us a smooth feeling for it to move downward, as we can see, but then we have to rotate around in order to finish the letter, and this rotation would be after the 2 points, and it will give us 3 points of length for the end of the letter Ra. So we keep going. By now we would be starting to rotate back up and rotating the pen in your hand in order to get the smooth ending for the Ra. And you would stop it over here. You fix the end here if you have to, if it required so. And this would be your meme by itself in a different shape. So you basically go up, then you curve back the other way around. And yeah, I think this would be for today's lesson. It's a short lesson, I thought, for the letter meme, because it has several shapes to it. I'm going to keep the lessons short and neat for people to grasp on the information that we get here. Sorry about that click noise. We're going to do a quick review. So the first shape would be going up to the right and down, just like this. The second move would be going back down, just like this. Then focus on this neck. It adds prettiness and beauty to the meme. Then we go down and we finish it with a nice rotation of the pen and close it. This could come connected in the middle. We will see it in the future. You will go up and you will come back from here for you to connect something to it. The second one was the half that goes back, then coming back with a full thickness with a move that looks like a Ra, just like this. So practice these two shapes, and yeah, the first one we will see in the middle of the word, in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end for this one. Meanwhile, this one we will see connected to certain letters, the letters that go down. For example, Muhammad. This is the one that we use with the Prophet's name because it connects to a hat, just like this. Then the hat would come back from here. Then a similar connection that would go down to a meme, which we will look into. Finally, we'll go up to a dal. So this one is the one that we just saw here. Yeah, this is for today's lesson. It's a short one, but again, it's a pretty letter to learn. I hope you enjoyed it. This is more interesting than Lam and the Kaf. I'm pretty sure it is. So yeah, practice this letter, and if you want to learn more about Arabic calligraphy, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, share and subscribe again, and tell your friends about it. And yeah, stay safe out there, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely day, evening or night. This has been Ammar Al-Audi, and goodbye.